I wanted to talk just a little bit about this area right here. This is a field that we have put in here where in the case where you need to pay, you can click on this and say you wanted to pay a late fee due because you were late and your contract requires you to pay a late fee or something like that, or foreign exchange or a general fee of some sort. We provided a field where you can do that if that's required. So we have an administration fee, for example. So this was clicked in and typed in $380.21, and that's been zeroed out. I just wanted you to know about that. That's a pop-up menu there. You can also choose other or edit some of your own things in here if you wish. You just choose the edit, and then you could add as needed. All right. Just be aware that you have that in case it's needed.